Hey, it's Mrs. Colgan, and I'm bringing you your first online STEAM activity. I have enlisted my own kids to help with it, so I'm going to introduce them first, and then I'll tell you about it. Here is Cassius. He is in 4th grade, and he's 9, and it's quite silly. And then there's Mavis, who's in 1st grade, and she's 7.
Hi, everybody.
And then Magnus, who is 5, and he's in pre-K. All right, let's get started. So this is a Teapot listening activity. And what you're going to need is a piece of paper, a pencil, and a red and blue crayon. My kids actually have got some whiteboards, and they have some markers that they're using. If you have that, that helps too. If you want to save your drawing, you might want to do it on a piece of paper instead. If you want, you can pause the video and you can go get the supplies and then come back when you're ready. Just press play when you're ready, and I'll continue. So this goes along with the book Burn that I sent out last week on Friday. I read Burn. It's on the blog. It should be attached to this. And in it, there was some mysteries about the changes of matter. So this is an activity that goes along with that. And I'm going to start by reading. You guys ready? Mm-hmm. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. Don't go anywhere. This is a listening activity. You will be given a series of directions, and you should listen to the directions to the best of your ability. Each picture will be each person's own creative masterpiece. Therefore, it is not important for yours to look like your neighbor's. All right. You have a blank paper in front of you on your desk, or on your floor, or on your or on your couch, or your kitchen table, wherever you are. Begin by drawing a teapot in the center. So let's say this is your piece of paper. You're going to draw a teapot in the center, and you want to make sure that the spout of the teapot is to the left. So if this is our teapot, and we have our spout, right here it's to the left. There we go. Put a little top on it. There you go. Decorate your teapot and pretend it's boiling. Draw some steam coming out of the teapot. So you're going to want some steam coming out of your teapot here. And you can decorate it. Now is a good time if you want to pause the video again and do your drawing. I'll just decorate it with some green little flowers. If you want to pause and then come back when you're done, you can go ahead and do that. Next, at the top of your paper, you're going to draw an ice cube. So up at the top here, I'm going to put it a little bit over here. Draw an ice cube. Good job, guys. Yeah, you can put it up here at the top. There. Good job, Magnus. Can you draw your ice cube up here? Thanks. In the east and west locations of your paper, draw a cup of water. And you might say, Mrs. Colgan, what are the east and west directions of my paper? I don't know that. Do you guys remember that trick to know where north, east, south, west is? Cash?
Never eat sour watermelon.
Never eat sour watermelons. So this is going to be the east side of our paper, and this is going to be the west side. So like this. So you're going to draw a cup of water on each side. So we'll have a cup of water here, and a cup of water here. I'll use my blue to do the water in there. Cups. Okay, good job. Nice work, Cash. All right, now draw arrows in pencil Or in your black, with your black marker, draw arrows in between each of the pictures. So you're going to draw an arrow here, and you're going to draw an arrow here, like that. Good job. Yes, yes, Mavis. Use your red crayon to trace the arrow that shows that heat is added to water to produce a change. So if take this one above, draw a red arrow here to show that heat was added to this water to make it turn into steam. Good job. Good listening, guys.
I lost my...
Your red is under there.
I know.
Oh. Now use your blue crayon to trace over the arrow to show that heat is taken away to produce a change. So you're going to draw blue over this one because heat is taken away to make the change. We have all experienced changes in water. A lot of you have probably seen steam coming from boiling water, or you've seen water turn into ice. Water is matter, and matter can take different forms. It can come in a solid, liquid, or gas. We're going to label these. Get your pencil or your marker, and you're going to label, we want to label the states of matter, solid, liquid, or gas. Okay? Which one should we label the ice cube? Yes, Mavis.
Solid.
Solid, yes. This is the solid. Which one should we label the
Liquid.
liquid? Liquid. And then Magnus, if this one is a solid and this one is a liquid, do you know what the steam would be? Oh, no. So we need to have a solid, liquid, and gas.
Gas.
Good job. It's the gas. Nice work, guys. You did awesome. And I'm going to show you each of their drawings so that they can say, Cash, you ready? Whose drawing is ready?
Wait, I am.
Great. So Cassius did his. Here it is. Nice job, Cassius. Thank you very much. Mavis. This is Mavis, the first grader. Here's hers. And Maggie D. How did you do? Oh, you're still copying. It's okay. Good job. Oh, jeez, gosh.
Hi again.
All right. And here's Magnus's. It's great. Look at his teapot. It's decorated with I love you. No cash. All right, guys. Look for another activity tomorrow. Bye.